Welcome back to the Auto Info Master, where the future of mobility isn't just fast, it's luxurious, intelligent, and more stylish than ever. Imagine a world where your garage isn't home to a hypercar or an SUV, but to something far more opulent, a motorhome. And not just any motorhome. We're talking about the top 3 most elite, futuristic, and downright jaw-dropping 2026 motorhomes, designed by none other than Mercedes, Ferrari, and Bugatti. Sounds wild, right? But in 2026, it's not fantasy, it's production reality. Let's kick things off with a masterpiece that redefines the word home on wheels. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Armadillo is a motorhome so futuristic, it almost feels alien. From the outside, the Armadillo doesn't just look aerodynamic, it looks like it's moving, even when standing still. The design takes cues from private jets, space rovers, and luxury yachts, merging them into a silhouette that glides over asphalt like silk on marble. Wrapped in a titanium-infused aluminum alloy, the body isn't just light, it's bulletproof. Yes, Mercedes has ensured the highest safety standards, offering retractable solar wing panels that open like butterfly wings when parked, providing shade and power simultaneously. Step inside and your senses are greeted with the aroma of handcrafted Scandinavian oak and marine-grade leather. The interior is more luxury hotel suite than RV. A 100-inch OLED screen drops from the ceiling, and ambient lighting adjusts to your mood, automatically. AI-powered voice assistants manage everything from climate to entertainment to lighting. The driver's cockpit? Fully digital, with a curved floating display that wraps around you, offering 3D navigation, autonomous drive status, and biometric health updates. Yes, it checks your vitals. Performance-wise, the Armadillo surprises even more. Powered by a hydrogen-electric hybrid drivetrain, it produces 1,200 horsepower with 0 emissions and a whisper-quiet ride. It hits 0 to 60 in 4.8 seconds, which for a motorhome of its size is borderline sorcery. With adaptive air suspension and terrain-sensing smart tires, the Armadillo floats over rough terrain like a magic carpet. Mercedes claims you could drive it across Europe without ever needing to stop for fuel or power, thanks to its 1,100-mile range and self-charging solar tech. That's not just engineering. That's innovation with a vision. Features? Think more smart mansion than motorhome. Facial recognition locks, temperature zone floors, a wine cellar with auto sommelier, and even a spa capsule in the bathroom with chromotherapy showers and a massage system integrated into the flooring. Mercedes went full luxury lifestyle with this one. And what's the price for all this brilliance? Just under $2.3 million. Yes, it's expensive. But can you really put a price on traveling in your own 5-star sanctuary? Moving on to the definition of passion on wheels, the 2026 Ferrari Cavalino GT. Now, Ferrari entering the motorhome market may seem like an oxymoron, but when Maranello does something, they do it with unmatched emotion. From the very first glance, the Cavalino GT doesn't try to look like an RV. It looks like a supercar with muscles, stretched into a long, athletic form. The aggressive front fascia, signature LED DRLs shaped like the prancing horse logo, and the rear diffuser taken straight from the SF90. This is no gentle cruiser. It's a beast cloaked in luxury. Constructed from carbon fiber and magnesium alloy panels, the Cavalino GT is incredibly light for its size. It sits low to the ground, hugging the earth like a true GT car. Pop-out aerodynamic spoilers adjust in real time to wind resistance, while the active suspension keeps everything tight in corners. Yes, corners, because this motorhome handles like a track car. The retractable roof is made of electrochromic glass, which can turn from transparent to opaque with a tap, flooding the interior with natural light or privacy on demand. Inside, it's pure Ferrari DNA with a grand touring twist. Red Alcantara, exposed carbon, and tan leather stitched with the precision of a couture suit. The driver's cabin features the same Manettino dial, F1 style paddle shifters, and a holographic HUD displaying everything from G-forces to torque distribution. In the living area, a modular sofa converts into 2 racing bucket recliners, and a touchscreen interface stretches across the cabin wall. A premium audio system co-developed with Bang & Olufsen pumps out 3D spatial sound that adapts to the layout of the room. But performance? This is where it gets wild. Ferrari didn't hold back. The Cavalino GT is powered by a 4.5-liter twin-turbo V8 paired with triple electric motors, generating a combined 1,600 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right. More powerful than most hypercars. 0 to 60 comes in at 3.9 seconds. Top speed? Electronically limited to 155 miles per hour for safety. But it's the sensation of that V8 roaring in the background as you cruise down the coast that makes this a Ferrari. And with a range of 850 miles, you're not stopping anytime soon. As for features, the Cavalino is loaded. Smart climate zones, retractable kitchenette with induction cooking, a bed that rises from the floor via magnetic levitation, and biometric access controls. And because it's Ferrari, the onboard AI is named Luca, a suave digital butler that remembers your espresso order, driving habits, and even plays curated playlists based on your mood. This rolling expression of power and beauty comes with a price tag of $3.1 million. But then again, it's not just a motorhome. It's a Ferrari with a living room. And finally, we reach the pinnacle, the ultra-exclusive 2026 Bugatti Vortex. If the Mercedes is elegance and the Ferrari is emotion, then the Bugatti is pure domination. The Vortex isn't just a motorhome, it's a hypermansion on wheels. With a body sculpted in aerospace-grade carbon titanium composite, the exterior isn't merely aerodynamic, it's engineered for speed at any size. From its quad-laser headlights to the retractable rear turbine cooling ports, the Vortex looks like a machine from a futuristic racetrack. The Vortex's signature horseshoe grille has been reimagined for grandeur, flanked by ultra-thin adaptive matrix lasers that adjust beam angles in milliseconds. The wheels are forged magnesium carbon hybrids, each hand-milled and self-leveling. Bugatti's designers call it kinetic sculpture. It doesn't just roll, it glides. Retractable side wings expand for stability when cornering at high speeds, and microdrones assist with blind spot visuals, giving the driver a bird's-eye view in real time. Inside is where things get surreal. You're greeted by a fragrance system designed by Maison Guerlain that diffuses a custom scent every time you step in. Floors are made of polished volcanic stone, and each panel on the wall is touch-responsive. The lounge features a floating infinity couch suspended on electromagnetic fields. A retractable wall reveals a Bugatti Atelier bar with precision-crafted glasses and automated cocktail systems. Even the bathroom has a rainfall ceiling, mirror-integrated display, and a voice-activated vanity station. And the cockpit? Oh, the cockpit! It's lifted straight out of the Bugatti Mistral. Flat-bottom yoke steering, full glass controls, and a central command core that looks like it belongs in a spacecraft. The entire dashboard is one continuous screen powered by NVIDIA AI, offering complete environmental and vehicle control. And yes, it has full Level 5 autonomous drive, but you'll want to take the wheel. The Vortex is powered by a quad-motor electric system paired with a nuclear battery assist. Total output? 2,100 horsepower. It goes from 0 to 60 in 2.8 seconds. That's right. A motorhome that out-accelerates Ferraris. With an adaptive downforce system, self-correcting suspension, and active cooling panels, it stays calm even at ludicrous speeds. Range? Over 1,400 miles on a single charge, plus wireless recharging pads integrated into parking areas at select luxury resorts. The features list is a catalog of fantasies. 8K immersive theater with AI mood adaptation, interactive ceiling displays for stargazing, smart glass walls that can show nature scenes or turn into mirrors, and a central AI named Elodie, trained on your habits, preferences, and biometric data to predict your needs before you even voice them. And the Vortex is not just limited to Earth. It's been designed to comply with low-gravity travel environments. Future-proof, Literally. And the price? Prepare yourself. $5.2 million. But for the elite few who can afford it, the Vortex offers something no mansion can. Freedom, mobility, and limitless power, all wrapped in one rolling jewel of engineering. So, there you have it. 3 motorhomes, 3 philosophies. Mercedes-Benz delivers the ultimate balance of luxury and technology with the Armadillo. Ferrari injects passion and race-bred performance into the world of mobile living with the Cavalino GT. And Bugatti transcends categories entirely with the Vortex, rewriting the definition of what a motorhome can be. Which one would you take for a road trip across the world? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this ride through the most luxurious motorhomes of the future, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more groundbreaking automotive content. This is Auto Info Master, signing off until next time, where the wheels never stop turning, and the future is always just one ride away.